Hello there. In today's video, we're going to share some valuable tips on how to keep your refrigerators clean and safe. Let's get started. First things first, regularly clean your refrigerator to maintain food safety and prevent unpleasant odors. We recommend setting aside some time every 3 to 6 months for a thorough cleaning. Next, for cleaning, use mild detergent, warm water, baking soda, and a soft cloth or sponge. And don't forget some gloves to protect your hands. For tougher stains or persisting odors, sprinkle some baking soda on a damp cloth and gently scrub the affected areas. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and will leave your fridge smelling fresh. Once you've thoroughly cleaned and dried all the parts, it's time to put everything back together. Arrange your food items neatly, ensuring proper storage and organization. Follow us for more contents like this.